Greetings. Here we have a salary based problem under percentages. So let's try to solve it. The monthly salaries of candidates A and B together amount to rupees 40,000. Okay. Now candidate A spends 85% of his salary and candidate B 95% of his salary. Okay, if now their savings are the same, then the salary in rupees of candidate A is, you have four options, right? See, this is a basic level question from percentages topic, right? Because see, now you have two candidates A and B. Okay, now the monthly salaries, let the salary, it is simple. This is a very simple question. Let the salary of A is say some X rupees. Okay, and now the salary of B is what here? 40,000 minus X, because it's given like this: salary of A plus salary of B is equal to 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 minus X plus X equal to 40,000. So we can write like this. Now he is asking, A spends 85%. He given this one, right? A spends 85% of his salary and B 95% of his salary. So he gave us something in the form of spending. But he is asking us, if now their savings are the same. He is saying that their savings are the same. So when the savings are the same, that means he is giving something indirectly. Yes or not? He is asking us something indirectly. So savings are the same, right? The condition is, if now their savings are the same, then the salary of A is. Savings, A is spending 85% means he is saving 15%. Okay, so he is saying if his salary is X, he is saving 15% of X. B is spending 95% means he is saving 5%. So now B is saving 5%. So 5% of 40,000. 5% of 40,000 minus X. Now their savings are the same. That means they are equal. So 15% of X. So this is simple. 15 over 100 multiplied by X equal to 5%, 5 by 100. So this is multiplied by 40,000 minus X. Alright. So these two are ruled out. Now this is 5 3s of 15. So now this is what? This X you bring it towards left hand side. So this becomes 4X equal to 40,000. 4X equal to say 40,000. And now X equal to what? Rupees 10,000. X equal to rupees 10,000 and A's salary is X. So therefore salary of A is 10,000. Very simple. So there is no big deal in this. This is a basic level question under percentages topic. Okay. Now the same problem also we can solve it very easily this way. Now see what is giving to us. He just gave like this, right? Let me put it down here. Let me use this space. Okay. Now he is saying that the monthly salaries of A and B together amount to rupees 40,000. Let salary of A plus salary of B is equal to 40,000. Alright. Now savings must be same. But he gave us something like spending. So indirect data. He gave us indirect data. So from this we could take savings. So 15% of salary A. Okay, this is what saving. 15% of A is equal to, here saving is 5%. So 5% of B salary. This must be same, right? So finally what do you have? 5 threes are. Finally we have 3 SA is equal to SB. Now you put this here. Now you put this in this case. Now what do we get? So SA plus 3 SA, that is 4 SA is equal to 40,000. So therefore salary of A is 10,000 rupees, okay, or rupees 10,000. That's it. Simple, basic and straightforward. Thank you.